Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So this is part 2 of the series of what we're going to call Sarasota. I ain't thought of a title yet, but we got primary.
Screaming Real Sarasota.
Screaming Real Sarasota. That sounds like a pretty good title. So we got primary on the boat, and of course Sunshine and myself. And if you haven't seen part 1 yet, stop this video right now and watch part 1. We had a really killer day here on the water in Sarasota, and the morning bite was really good. The afternoon bite was really good. So yeah, so this is part 2. So we're gonna pick it up here after lunch, and we are sitting up underneath the Ringling Bridge. Hope you enjoy. Oh, double hookup. Oh.
Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
Oh, 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 oh. He almost got me.
Just treating it like it's a public appetizer that they hand out in the stores.
Got him there. Got him there. Yeah, you thought you were gonna get me, didn't you? Didn't you?
Oh, you're fine. You're fine. Stay. Enjoy the show.
All right, guys, we came up under the Ringling Bridge. We're gonna sit out here. We got that ladyfish. There's Sunshine and primary. See, they're still alive, y'all. They're still alive. So, are you all winning? I don't know. I lost count, so I don't know. I'll know how many I get when we go through and start editing stuff. But anyway, so we're gonna sit out here. We're gonna throw that cut bait ladyfish out, see if we can get us some saltwater sail cats, and throw some shrimp out, see what else we can get up on. Maybe a Spanish mackerel or 2. So, fingers crossed. All right, there's that ladyfish. That ladyfish is almost 18-inch ladyfish. Not too shabby. Not as big as the one that primary caught. That is correct. Just cut a couple little chunks off. All right, right there. There we go. All right, so I got cut bait ladyfish on my pen rod, and Sunshine's gonna throw on some cut bait too. Then I'm gonna throw this shrimp out here on my Abu Garcia. Oh, I already got something with the ladyfish. Ladyfish is on. Ladyfish is on. How long we been sitting here? Yeah, not even 2 minutes. We've been set up here. Turned it loose. It was a catfish though. So look at this. This is how I know it was a catfish. See that slime all over that line right there? That's that catfish slime. That's how you know that's a sail cat too. Of course, that's what we want. We want us a sail cat. All right, so ladyfish got a hit. First thing. Got a hit first thing. I'll throw my shrimp out there. Let it sink on down. I think ladyfish is going to be the ticket. Oh, messing with it again. Oh, that one's going. Hold on. Hold on. Oh, shrimp is on. Shrimp is on. That's a cat there. Oh yeah, come on. Come on up here, buddy. Where you at?
Straight out.
Come on. I had a nice big shrimp on there too. Oh yeah, come on. How big are you? How big are you gonna be? Oh yeah. Primary's hooked up. Oh, look at that big sail cat. Oh no. Big sail kitty. Oh, Come here, buddy. There we go. Big sail kitty. Look at him, babe. All right, so I got two. I got two keeper in the box. He's right here. So that was on a shrimp. I got him on a shrimp. Catfish in the box. All right, primary's hooked up again. Let's see if she can land it this time. Come on, get it.
Get it good.
That's a little grouper. Little grouper.
You got a grouper.
You want to help her get unhooked, babe?
Yeah. It's a grouper. Nice. These are sharp murder fins. Go ahead and drop this hand a little bit so you can see the fishy. There you go. Let him go. Bye, guys.
Nope. Trying to get my line out. Had something hop on the ladyfish. Yeah. Oh. Oh, what is that?
That's not a catfish, is it?
That is not a catfish.
Primary, he's got something good.
He's pulling line on me too. I don't know. Am I snagged? I've never been snagged on anything under this bridge.
You got one?
Oh my gosh. There is no way that little grouper was giving me that much of a fight.
No.
There you go, baby. Little grouper.
He's cute. Oh,
There he goes.
As soon as I put the pole down.
Get him.
Am I recording?
Yes.
Okay. He's not doing his thing. There he goes. Oh yeah.
Another big cat.
Yeah.
There you go.
Get him.
Ooh, I think that's the biggest one we've got. All right. Ah.
Oh, your rod's going.
Yep. Oh.
Okay.
I don't know, he may have swallowed your hook, babe.
How much does he weigh?
I don't know. It's pretty good size though.
Giant.
Oh, I got one on mine. Oh, did he turn it loose? Oh, nope, he's still on there. I thought he turned loose a bit. He's still on there.
Oh, fuck yeah, he swallowed that shit.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, buddy. Nope. Yeah.
I want you to catch the biggest catfish. Yeah, yeah. Here, kitty, 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 kitty. Here, kitty, 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 kitty. Meow. Meow. Ah. Oh, sorry.
It's all right.
Why are there weights in your mouth?
This is not a catfish. Because he's not bucking at all. Now he's bucking. Ha!
Look at that one.
Ha!
Oh, here, baby, give me that pole. We're only going to be able to run one pole here because we can't keep up with two.
Coming in hot.
Two is too much. Oh,
Hot.
hold on, hold on. He's a big one there, boy. Alright, so that's 3 big sail cats. And
Primary's fixing to catch one. She's out there calling
yeah,
them.
she's out there trying to call them out. She's calling them. But for those people that say that like saltwater catfish are not good, the sail cats are good. The ones that we're keeping are good to eat. They are by far like one of the best fish in the water to eat, and they are very, very underrated. So those people that want to think that, that's fine. Throw them back because we will catch them. We make catfish nuggets with them, and they are absolutely delicious. If you haven't tried it, I suggest you give it a try. We have a video also on our channel where we came out here and we were catching catfish, and we went back and we cooked them up, made catfish nuggets. So check that video out too. I'll link it down below also. Got him there. Got him there. Yeah, you thought you were gonna get me, didn't you? Didn't you? I got you. Oh yeah, come on.
Thank you.
Oh.
Yeah, baby. Kitty, kitty, kitty. You think he makes muffins?
He ain't ready. Another good sized one. Oh, he just helped himself off the hook. Where are you going? Where are you going? You ain't going nowhere. You ain't going nowhere. You ain't going nowhere. Going right in there.
Yeah. Kitty, kitty, kitty.
Primary hooked up again. What we got? What we got? Here, walk back here with it. There you go. What we got here? Oh, that's a good sized one there.
You just outfish all of us? Yes. That's a cheetah.
There you go.
What the fuck is a cheetah? Like size? Oh. That's not a house cat, that's a cheetah.
Oh. Yep.
I'm gonna get the net. I'm not gonna get the flipping net because I'm gonna get all messed up. Get him, baby, get him. Another big one. Ain't done yet.
at that pole.
He ain't done yet.
There you go.
Oh, he's a good sized one too.
Okay, what?
There you go.
Yeah.
Oh, there he goes. There he goes. This don't feel like a big one here. It feels like a little one here.
How much? Like how much catfish? How many more catfish?
Another grouper.
You got another?
Another grouper.
Do you want a picture of him?
No.
He's cute. He's a grouper.
Another grouper. Well, these grouper like this cut bait ladyfish too.
Yeah.
Come on, buddy. Give me my hook back. There we go. Pretty little grouper. There you go, buddy.
There we go. Get a girl. There we go.
Get a girl.
Oh yeah, there you go. There you go.
Oh, you're fine. You're fine. Stay. Enjoy the show.
Oh shit! Almost fell.
This is a big one.
Yeah. All right, that's gonna be our. You want to keep this one as the last one?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Get it, sunshine.
That's right.
Look at that.
Welcome to keeling time.
Look at that one. Bro.
Oh, Jesus. What?
All right, so this is the last one. This is the last one we're gonna keep. All right. All right, so oh, that's gonna be the last one there.
What else do we have in there? Like one. Did he get you?
He almost yeah, I'm recording.
Yeah. So you're probably gonna go home with like a whole bunch of catfish. Do you want it cubed up or do you want it fillets?
It doesn't matter. I can keep it.
Okay.
There we go.
You
All
good?
right. Yeah. We'll go with the fish line, y'all. All right.
You about died. All right.